Good morning everyone. Welcome to software engineering session. I am going to give the overview about the process framework concept in software engineering. The software engineering is the layer technology. Please look at this picture. It is represented in the layer view. It having 4 layers from top to bottom like tools, methods, process model and quality focus. In this layer technology, the software tool is the important thing. It provided the automated and semi-automated support for the process and methods. The software methods provide the technical view for building the complete software. This methods represents the different variety of tasks, group of tasks like requirement analysis, design, coding, testing and maintenance. The software engineering methods rely on the basic software engineering principles. In the layer technology represents the group of framework activities. This framework activity automatically depends on the some basics of project management concept, budget, scheduling and overall technical methods of the particular product development and particular product or quality control, right? In this layer technology, the main objective is identify the new problem and solution in software production. The software is used to develop the systematic method for the particular society relevant problem. Those problem will be represented in terms of layer technology. In this layer technology, we are going to deal about the different kinds of approaches like requirement gathering, analysis, design, implementation and testing, right? Suppose you are going to build a new software tools or different environment for applying this software tool, means we are adapting this layer technology. The major goal of software engineering is improving the software productivity and quality as well as reducing the overall cost of the particular software. Then we will discuss about the process framework, because the process framework is the basic thing to build the complete software process. Before developing the complete software process, first of all we are going to identifying the various number of framework activities available in your software. This number of framework activity is depending upon the size of your project. It may be a large project, means the number of framework activity is high. It may be a small project, means it may be a minimum one. This framework activity is achieved by the group of umbrella activities. We will discuss this one by one. This is the overall structure for process framework. Each and every software having the different number of variable framework activity. This framework activity is present inside the group of umbrella activity. This framework activity having the work task, work product and various number of deliverable. The final thing is the quality assurance checkpoints. This is the sample representation of different number of process framework activity. In each framework activity having the set of software engineering actions, it is achieved by the group of tasks. Each action has an individual work task. The important thing is the generic process framework activity. This process framework activity is common for all the software development life cycle. It is an important thing in software development life cycle. The model may be any model, waterfall model, spiral model, incremental model or any kind of traditional model. We are following this kind of generic process framework activity. The first framework activity is communication. In this communication phase is the important thing, because we are collecting the requirement from the various stakeholders in the communication phase. It is the initial phase. In this phase only we can collect the requirement about the particular software from various stakeholder. The stakeholder is nothing but those who are involved in the project directly or indirectly. Those people are called as the stakeholder. After that we are moving to the planning phase. Based on your requirement gathered from the stakeholder, we are making the project planning. This project planning contains the various technical tasks and what are all the various resources required for the particular project, and scheduling about the particular project. These things are happen in the planning phase. The next one is the modeling phase. Based on your planning phase, the modeling phase is used to construct the design of the particular software. Design depends upon the various requirements gathered in the communication and planning phase, right? After the designing, it is moved into the construction phase. The construction phase is nothing but the code generation phase. It is maybe a automatic or semi-automatic process based on the convenient about the development team. In that phase, the testing is also happened. This testing is used to find out the errors in the particular code, and end of the construction phase, our project is the error-free project. After that, move to the deployment phase. After construction phase, the project is completely error-free and produces the proper output. In deployment phase, in this phase, this project is deployed to the customer portal or customer end. This phase, we are going to evaluate the customer feedback about the particular project. These are all the various generic process framework activities. The process model, we will discuss detailedly about the process model in the next video, right? This is the different kinds of umbrella activity. Each and every software project, we are following the framework activity as well as the umbrella activities. In umbrella activities, the first activity is the software project tracking and control. These activities happen based on your project schedule. The next one is the formal technical review. This formal technical review is used to find out your work product is working fine or not, it having some kind of error or not. This is the important activity. The next activity is the software quality assurance. This is focused only the quality of your particular software. The next activity is the software configuration management. This activity is used to ensure your software effects of changes occurred by your software or not. Your software is correctly manage the changes or not. This is verified in the software configuration management activity. The next activity is the document preparation and production. This activity is used to maintaining the complete document and log and list about your entire project. The next activity is the reusability management. This reusability management activity is used to think about your particular work product is future reuse or opportunity is available or not. It is reused by anywhere in the future area. It is represented in the reusability management activity. The next activity is the measurement activity. This activity measures the process and project and product related thing in your project. It mainly focusing on the customer needs is meet out or not in the particular delivering software. The last umbrella activity is the risk management. This risk management activity is used to affect the outcome of entire quality of your project. That's all about the umbrella activity. Thank you all.